Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. I am B. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain one, one tool in transformation features. Already you know what are the tools are available in transformation features. Let us see the tools inside transformation feature. These are the tools are available in transformation toolbar. First one is translation, rotation, symmetry, axis to axis, mirror, rectangular pattern, circular pattern, user pattern, scaling, affinity. In this video, I am going to explain how to use this translation tool in CATIA V5 software. You can select or you can activate this translation tool. Uh, this is the one procedure. That means you can go to the insert menu. In this you can choose transformation features and subtool is translation. Another option is you can go through the transformation features toolbar. In this you can click on this arrow mark. It shows the subtools. The first one is translation. By using this option you can activate the translation tool. What is translation? The translation tool is used to move the current body by defining a specific destination. To translate a body, you can choose the down arrow on the right of the translation tool. In the transformation features, it shows the uh, subtools. First one is translation, second rotation, third one is symmetry, fourth one is axis to axis. Now choose translation tool. When you're choosing the translation tool, it shows uh, the translation definition dialog box and the question message box will be displayed. You can see here this is the translate definition dialog box. This is the question message box. It shows, do you really want to keep the transformation specifications? If you do not want to move your geometry using the compass or 3D constraints. Let us, I am choosing no. So you can move the object by using this compass. Okay. Now again I am choosing translate tool. Uh, Now in this I want to choose S button. From this dialog box, the translation definition dialog box will be activated. Here it shows three different options. First one is vector definition, direction, distance. This vector definition having subtools, point to point and coordinates. Now I am choosing the first one. The default one is direction and distance. The direction of translation could be along a straight edge, sketched line, or plane. You can select the uh, in the direction. Just you can choose this direction. You could be along a straight edge, or sketched line, or plane. For example, I am choosing this edge and give the distance 30 mm. Let us see the second one. Uh, for example, I'm choosing this the first one, that is direction and distance. Next, uh, you need to select the direction. I'm choosing the direction is this YZ plane. Next, you need to specify the translation distance. I'm taking 50 mm. Click OK. When you click on OK, the object moves from uh, 50 mm in the specified plane direction. Let us see the second one. Translation. Now, if you select point to point option from this vector definition drop down list, you need to specify a point on the model, the reference point, and then the destination point where you want to move the body. Now I'm choosing start point. This is the my starting point. Let us give the end point. Let us choose the end point. So this is the end point. Now click OK. This is the procedure for point to point direction. The third one is the third option is coordinates. If you select the coordinates option from the vector definition drop down list, you need to specify only coordinates. Initially, it shows the default coordinates is x, y, z are origin point, that means 0 mm, y 0 mm, z 0 mm. Uh, now, now you need to specify only the coordinates of the destination point where you have to place the body with respect to default coordinates of the workbench. Now I'm giving the x coordinate is 20 mm, y coordinate is 25 mm, z coordinate is 35 mm. Now click OK. Now the pod design move to with respect to coordinates, that means x distance, y distance, and z distance. Uh, you can see here, this is the resultant translated body moved normal to the selected plane, or uh, with respect to the given coordinates like x coordinate, y coordinate, and z coordinate distances. This is the brief explanation about translation tool in the transformation features. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.